All right, this is a demo to show that how we can wind those intercoms with the panel. First of all, you can have a internet router that's connected to the port. This way is they connected to this network switch. Another cable that will be used to connect it to this intercom here. And for the panel, we have two ways to connect. One is through Wi-Fi. The other is you can also use the cable as well. And we suggest you using this cable because it's pretty much stable here. And there is this is for the power adapter. So to power this network switch. This is basically how it works.